Today, 24 October, our quotes: if you have too much time on your hands, then everything becomes heavy to handle. My dear friends, today 24 October, United Nations Day, 75th anniversary, and also World Development Information Day. Congratulations to all. The United Nations officially came into existence on 24th October 1945. When the Charter had been ratified by China, France, the Soviet Union, Russia, the United Kingdom, Britain, the United States America, and a majority of other signatories. United Nations Day is celebrated on 24th October each year. The structure of the United Nations under 6 principal organs: General Assembly number 1, number 2 Security Council, number 3 Economic and Social Council, number 4 Trusteeship Council, or number 5 International Court of Justice, and number 6 Secretariat. For membership of the United Nations is open to all peace-loving nations, and official language Chinese, English, French, Russian, Spanish, and Arabic. The purpose of United Nations to maintain international peace and security. Second, to develop friendly relations of equal rights and self-determination of people. Thirdly, to cooperate in solving international economic, social, culture, and humanitarian problems. The entire United Nations family benefits from the energy and enthusiasm of grassroots organization and movement to bring the high ideas of the United Nations Charter into practical form. The United Nations also benefit from its partnership with various members of civil society, including the business and labor communities and international charitable organizations, as well as the support of prominent figures in the field of endeavors. Thousands of non-governmental organizations, NGO, which has been enlisted in the cause of the United Nations, including some 2,870 NGO in consultative status with the Economic and Social Council. NGO are active across broad spectrum of United Nations issue. I are also associated with United Nations. The United Nations Foundation is among a number of public charities which support the work of the United Nations. The All India Human Rights Association, AHRA, established 1987 and officially came into existence on 12th October 1989. The National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, established also 12th October 1993. The United Nations annual budget around 4 billions and NHRC budget around 200 crores. But All India Human Rights Association no budget because do not receive any grant or donation by government. Still, All India Human Rights Association, AHRA, is working in 36 states in India and other countries worldwide. So, seminars, structure program, events, and lot of human rights awareness programs. 3 big journey for human rights awareness. Number 1, 70 days journey, 15,000 kilometer covered, 22 states covered, and second journey 220 days 51,000 kilometers covered 33 states in India and SAARC member countries. And third journey 224 days, 75,000 kilometers covered 34 states and SAARC member countries supported by AHRA members, and also legal cell operating at various parts of the country and running human rights library, free school for poor, published human rights fortnightly magazines, and so many conduct programs on human rights. Today, AHRA have 4 websites and active all social media. AHRA plans for a massive national and international campus in India, which will host a number of independent wings working under the banner of AHRA, relatively in all fields: legal, environment, medical, youth, women, spiritual, foundation, publication, health, film, trade, education, project, technology, labor and culture, and others. AHRA also follow United Nations Charter and Constitutions of India. Before AHRA, no anyone NGO on human rights, so AHRA is first NGO civil society in India. After that, NHRC established in 1993. At present, so many parties opened the wings of human rights and so many established NGOs in all over India. And last, our universal rights by United Nations. Number 1, we are all born free and equal. Number 2, don't discrimination. Number 3, right to life. Number 4, no slavery. Number 5, no torture. Number 6, you have right no matter where you go. Number 7, we are all equal before the law. Number 8, your human rights are protected by law. Number 9, no unfair determinant. Number 10, the right to trial. Number 11, we are always innocent till proven guilty. Number 12, the right to privacy. Number 13, freedom to move. Number 14, the right to seek a safe peace to life. This is all universal rights for all. And number 15, right to a nationality. Number 16, marriage and family. Number 17, the right to your own things. Number 18, freedom of thoughts. Number 19, freedom of expression. Number 20, the right to public assembly. Number 21, the right to democracy. Number 22, social security. Number 23, works rights. Number 24, the right to play. Number 25, food and shelter for all. Number 26, the right to education. 27, copyright. 28, a fair and free world. 29, responsibility. And last, no one can take away your human rights. This is a universal rights 1 to 30. And finally, request for all, save life of earth. Dear friends, yours Dr. M.U. Dua, President AHRA and NP, and our website aihra.org. Second website ahru.org. Third website ahranews.org, ahranews.org. And number 4, anp.org.in, anp.org.in. This is my 4 website, and also our WhatsApp number 9910636345, second 9213493068, and third 931312551. Our official number, headquarter Delhi official number 011 430 26940 and second 011 220 45629. So you always welcome contact AHRA. This is a your organization and work together for make a human chain and human library today. Thank you very much and namaskar.